is Shakri and I am studying mechanical engineering in Gayatri Vidya Parishad. So I have come across, I have seen many problems which India is facing. The main thing is shortage of electricity and the other thing is fuels being too priced for Indians. So how can we overcome shortage of electricity? Whenever we speak about shortage of electricity, many think about generating electricity like wind, solar, and again they are very costly. But very few think about harvesting the energy losses. Like in many industries like steel plant and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation, like local companies, there's lot of loss of heat. Like companies, they don't think about the loss which has come in, they just think about the products. Like steel plant thinks about steel, raw materials and everything. They don't involve in generation of electricity from the heat losses which it has come. So my idea is just to form a group which specifically sees the chances of generating electricity from each and every loss in the companies and everywhere. So by generating that electricity we can fix it to the power grids and we can help to reduce the power loss. I have an idea about, like, we have many automobiles and the main thing is where we go on a smooth roads or everywhere, whenever we apply brakes, all the power which the car has generated will be lost in the form of frictional energy. Now I have an idea of energy absorbing brake system. Like it stores all the energy like the car has gained and it stores in the form of mechanical energy, so it can be used like for further travel of the car. So in this way fuel can be reduced. The second problem is fuel being overpriced. I have an idea like how to create and braking time electronically according to the requirement. Suppose we have to stop the car in a very short time, so electronically it adjusts the speed. So, all the energy will be stored in the spring in a very short time, so that again brakes also don't fail.